Hello, babe. I want you to test me, help me warn your father. Could you believe, say, I see your father for my streets today, saying, "I guys, they want to be a parlor, they drink." Me no go play, say, I see my girlfriend father, I don't feel great. Now, go say me a branch. Could you believe, say, your father, they ask me who I be? Who me be?
Lakaka.
Huh? Okay, I even say me I explain myself now. Next, your father say, let me draw my trouser up. Let me draw my trouser up. Ah, that invest me. That it trigger me. When I go back say, can't go later the year say something dangerous happen to your father. I go say make her come out. I said they come out. Next thing when I call your father, they tell your friends. Your father they tell your friends, say children of nowadays. Me children of nowadays. Now me your papa they cut off. Me when I be on a family account, na beneficiary for my mobile app. Now your father they cut children of nowadays. See, if the way I tell explain to you like this, you know if you tell your father make caution, leave him. I they come. I'll call tell her myself. No beg me. No beg me. Because na both step your papa takes so both step. I don't know what to give on that voltage. Like this, your papa don't bite hand when they feed down. No beg me.
Jesus.
No beg me. Because me see they sure say na my money see take go that beer parlor go drink. You know say if I don't do Nanga. I dey come.